Our law enforcement organizations use helicopters to combat crime and improve the safety of our communities by coordinating with officers on the ground to stop high-speed chases, tracking fugitives, and to transport personnel to remote locations. They even allow officers to see in the dark. Much of the same technology that is used to track criminals also provides search and rescue capabilities. When we get lost or isolated in distress, helicopters are often our best and sometimes our only chance of being found before it might be too late, whether it's in the open sea, on a snow-covered mountain, or anywhere in between. The men and women who fly search and rescue missions are dispatched day and night to find us and fly us to safety. In a medical emergency, helicopter crews are called to transport us to the hospital. When a patient sustains a serious injury or suffers a heart attack, stroke, or other life-threatening event, they have the greatest chance of survival if they receive hospital treatment within the first hour, known as the golden hour. In certain cases of severe trauma, that window of opportunity can be reduced to a matter of minutes. Today's advanced medevac helicopters can fly straight to an accident site at over 140 miles per hour, bypassing traffic, intersections, and the indirect patchwork of roads. This also means that upon loading the patient, a chopper can reach the most well-equipped hospital within a 35-mile radius in under 15 minutes. Like a ground ambulance, emergency medical helicopters carry paramedics along with equipment and medicine to stabilize a patient during the ride to the hospital. The flight medic also uses the onboard radio to contact the doctors at the hospital during the flight to let them know what the condition of the patient will be upon arrival. Once there, the flight medic will accompany a patient into the treatment center to help the doctors understand what happened at the scene. Helicopters are also used when patients need to be transferred from one hospital to another. For instance, when a patient's condition worsens and they need to be taken to a more advanced treatment center. They can also transport time-sensitive material like antivenom for poisonous animal bites, human organs for transplant, even doctors and surgeons. The rotorcraft truly is a unique flying machine, an important and useful tool that can save lives and enhance the way we live. No matter what a helicopter's intended daily function may be, at heart they are all essentially the same machine. A machine with the incredible power to take off and land vertically and to hover in mid-air wherever they're needed. Whether it's in dire circumstances or behind the scenes in our daily lives, helicopters are there, making a difference every day.
Okay, so the DVD was great and all, but it doesn't really do the real thing justice. So if you'd like, I could take you out for a flight.
Could I?
If you guys would like to come along, you're more than welcome.
I don't know.
No
You've
charge.
got your soccer practice.
Mom, it's Tuesday.
Come on, you only live once.
So what did you think?